Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. We are on ornament number 5 of our classic quilty sew-along. So let's review back to yesterday's ornament. This one is ornament number 4. It's this cute little, looks like kind of a windmill to me, actually. Very cute. I gave you a few tips on that yesterday, so make sure to check out that video. Today's ornament is actually another fun one. Now, this is sort of a take on an Ohio star, but it's really a sawtooth star block. And again, I tried to do classic quilt blocks, things that you've seen before. They're pretty easy to sew, especially since these are small pieces. I didn't want to get too complicated, but I did want to have a variety. So here is block number 5. Again, this is a standard sawtooth block, but normally what you would have inside of a sawtooth star is this square in here being all one color. Instead, I did a snowball on the corner, so we have this white diamond inside here, and it just gives that star a whole new look. So this one is really fun to put together. This would be another really fun one to change the fabric placement on. And as a matter of fact, when I was doing this, I went back and forth between having this square red and these little corner tips on it white. And actually here was my tester block, and all the kids voted and everybody voted for this one, but I wanted to show this one as well because I just thought it was also really cute, and it might give you an idea on how you can kind of switch up the fabric placement. Exact same pattern, just different fabric placement, and get a completely different look. And if you wanted, you could even make both of these, hang them on your tree, and people would think they were 2 different blocks even though they are the same. Now yesterday I did say that I recommend pressing your fabric open, and so that's kind of what I did on the back of these. This has been on my wall, so some of the seams are kind of not as flat as they used to be. But here you can see I have those seams pressed open, and it really reduces the bulk in these corners where these corners meet, and especially like right here and here, it really helps make those points stand out a little bit more, makes them a little bit flatter, and that's really helpful when you're working with these smaller blocks. Now, if you are going to press your seams open, again, don't forget to reduce your stitch length to about 1.5. I usually sew on a 2.0 stitch length. When I'm pressing my seams open, I do 1.5, and that way it holds together a lot better, and when you press seams open, you don't have those seams kind of coming apart on you. So just a little tip there. There's a lot of different things you can do with these, and I think I mentioned in a different video, but you can also just completely just reverse the main print with the background print. So imagine if all the white areas were red and the red areas were white, that would also give you a totally different look for this ornament. Of course, you can get the pattern in my store. It comes in PDF or print format. We are working hard to ship on the daily so that if you are just joining us a little bit late, you can still get these in time to make your ornaments for this year. But of course, PDF download is instant, and so you have it right away. And you only need a little bit of fabric to get started on these, so chances are you already have it in your stash. So here's ornament number 5, super cute, a star block, very easy to put together and a lot of fun. If you're enjoying our quilts along, make sure to like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, do all the fun stuff. Leave a comment below letting me know what your color choices are. So I obviously did the red and white color choices, but I know a lot of you guys are doing other color options, and so that is so much fun. And don't forget to post your images on social media, and you can either tag me at Erica Arndt, or you can also use the hashtag Classic Quilty Ornaments, I think is what I called it. And then that way I can see yours as well. If you tag me, I can repost them on my social media so we can share them with others too. So it's a lot of fun. I love seeing your different variations. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on the tree, and I'll see you in the next video. We'll look at ornament number 6.